So I'm gonna go get this truck under the overhead. I guess I'm taking a little wheat this morning to the elevator to make some more room because we still have a little bit to dry left. So let's get to it. First, I need a little bit of fuel though. Got the 8-axle Mack trailer on our red Kenworth here. This is the one that blew up, but it's been fine ever since, running like a top. So we finally got this trailer loaded. I am headed down to Yale to an elevator. It's about a 15-minute drive, but it's going to take longer because I don't have a tarp, and if I go too fast, then the wheat will just get blown right out of the trailer and onto the road, and it'll leave a trail. So don't want to do that. So I'm off. Oh, don't forget about those buggers. We're getting there, slowly but surely. 31 miles an hour. Everyone keeps passing me. Nobody wants to stick around though. See what I mean? Nobody wants to stick around. So those bins over there, that's where we're going. We're almost there. I've got a line of cars behind me. Finally got her unloaded, and I am just pulling back out onto the road, about to go home. I don't know what I'm doing after this. I guess there's a couple more loads we need to haul. I don't know if I'm doing that, but I'm going home. We're gonna do something else maybe. So just got back to the farm here, got the ticket. Way in was 172,000 and way out was 124,000. So yeah, you can do the math. 47,700 pounds of grain. I was there for 45 minutes about. Go down to the barn, see if they're still cleaning the barn over there since it is Monday. So let's go. Oh, nobody is here. Two of them were hooking onto a cattle trailer, but there should be two more here somewhere. So what do you guys think? I think the horns are definitely a nice addition to the Jeep. What do you guys think? Oh, we are actually moving some cattle right now. So we just loaded some out of the big barn at home. Now we are coming down the road. We're going to load a few onto the trailer here. And then I think they're going to the stockyard since it is Monday. Madman, I tell you what. So, Dad just left with those cattle that he's taking to stockyards. I believe that's where they're going. And then now we are finishing the barn up, cleaning it. It's loading a load of manure for me to take. And then I think we're going to rake some hay this afternoon, probably after lunch maybe. Because we cut a bunch of hay on Saturday. And it was nice and dry, good weather for it, Saturday and yesterday. And then this morning was good too, so we might be baling this afternoon. There's a wild deer and it's not so natural habitat. Loading manure. Just over 2,800 hours on the old 270. They grow up so fast. There's the big power right there. 40/20. On feed duty. Sling and poo. Let's go see if I can't get a load by myself. No, it's not a matter of if, I'm gonna do it. Nice load there. It looks a lot bigger from right here. I don't know why. Maybe I'm a little lower. But just have a little pile left there. I'll go spread this and then I will take it back to the farm. I am gonna shut her down. Off to another project. So it's shortly after lunch, just a few minutes. I am gonna go to town and get some parts for the chopper head. It's broke down. We're not going to be able to get the parts anytime soon, but we need to get shopping. So I am going to go up to the dealership, and they said that we could take the parts off of a head that they have sitting there. So I'm going to get some tools and see if I can go grab that real quick. I'm pretty sure I have way more tools than I need, hopefully. But I would rather have more than I need than the opposite. So I need this, that sprocket goes on here, these chains, this one. And yeah, so we gotta go see if we can get that. Let's hope this goes well, guys. Well, I think I see the head that I'm gonna be borrowing some parts off of. Right there. Looks like she's seen better days though. Let's hope it comes off easy though, or not too hard. And since it's so hard to open the tailgate from outside, I'll just do it from in here. I think that's all I need. Just this dude. I think the chains were fine. So let's get back home. Into that sprocket I picked up for the chopper head. I also picked up 3 rolls of net wrap. I know what you're thinking, Farmer Tom, that's only 1 roll. I'm good at math, so I know that I dropped 2 off to the baler guy, and I have 1 more here, so that is 3. So I have to throw that up somewhere there. I don't know. I'm gonna back the pickup up in there somewhere maybe and see if I can put that sprocket on, unless we are gonna go baling. This is wadded right full. Can't turn the auger, so that might be fun putting the sprocket back on and then putting this chain on. But yeah, sprocket literally just fell off. It was sitting right in there. So that's plumb full of straw. So we'll see if we can get this thing in there. Oh, of course. Now that's unfortunate. Bingo. I have that sprocket partially on. I have 1 chain. I actually put both chains back on it, and then I just have to tighten them up and tighten up the bolt that holds the sprocket on. But we are not chopping right now. We are going to bale hay, so that will wait probably until tomorrow. This is 2:30. So baling, we might be baling the rest of the day, I'm not sure. So it is a little bit warm today, guys. It is 86 degrees right now. I'd say the heat index, maybe 90, over 90 probably. Whew, it is hot. Hi, cows. So before we can start baling, we have to fix up a bunch of stacks here in the new hay barn because they fell over and we can't stack new hay against it. Alright, so you ready to go baling? I sure hope so. That's what we're doing. Yep, that's right. We got 3 balers going today. Are you guys okay? You really need to be more careful, you know. Absence, Grandpa has unhooked the baler and hooked onto the wheel rake. He is raking the rest of that. So we are going to be using that bale preservative, hay preservative that I talked about, because that stuff apparently is going to be a little wetter. So I guess we're doing that because I think it's going to rain tomorrow. They're calling for rain, I think. That's what I heard on the radio, I believe. I didn't check my phone at all, but it's going to be a lot better now if we use that preservative than it will be after it rains. So I guess we're going to send it. See what happens. So for those of you who are wondering, Farmer Tom, where does all your hay go? So our hay, we sell it to a guy and then he sells it to places down south like Florida and Georgia, the Carolinas. Those are just a few of the places, but all of our hay, they feed it to horses down south. So this stuff does not stay local. Once in a while, if we have some hay that didn't store well, or for whatever reason we want to get rid of it, we'll take a little bit over to the stockyards. So that does stay local, but that's not very often. I think we took just a couple loads last year with the pickup. So yeah, it all goes down south mainly. You guys need some water? Are you guys thirsty? It's pretty hot out there. Hope you're not dehydrated or anything. Woo! Good thing I'm in here in the air conditioner. So we have baled all of the stuff that was raked so far. I don't know what the rake operator is doing. He's sitting at the headland. So we might be done, but right now I'm just cleaning up little scraps here and there that got missed by the balers. So after I get this done, we might be quitting. I'm not sure. So we are indeed calling her a day. It is 5:42 right now. We're just gonna leave the balers and tractors in the field for the night. I don't know, I guess in case it doesn't rain, then they're here. It's only supposed to rain like a tenth, and there's a 50% chance of it, so shouldn't really get your hopes up. But I'm gonna park this and call her a day. Like I said earlier, we are calling it a day. It's like 6 o'clock probably now, I'm not sure. But we're done baling, done raking. We still have more hay down, but we didn't rake it. Dad and Nate are still picking up bales back there. They shouldn't be too much longer though. So, as always, thanks for watching guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.